AAA presents Happily Ever After, ASE Certified Mechanics. Chapter 1, Riley and Truck Norris. Riley and Truck Norris did everything together. They shared meals, listened to music, and even cried together when Riley's best friend left for college. So when Truck Norris's check engine light flickered on, she knew something was off. Chapter 2, The Shady Shop. Riley went to the first mechanic she could find, Gerald, who told her he could do one of two things: guess what was wrong, or replace everything and hope for the best. But guesswork wasn't good enough for Riley or Truck Norris. He needed actual work. Chapter 3, The ASE Certified Mechanic. Eventually, Riley found herself at a AAA Tire and Auto service center where she met Krista, a grease-streaked genius who knew exactly what to do. That's because Krista, like all AAA mechanics, was ASE certified, which meant she had 2 years of hands-on training, passed a rigorous exam, and gets recertified every 5 years. So, Krista ran some tests, found and fixed the problem, and got Riley and Truck Norris back on the road in no time. Moral of the story: if your car's acting weird, bring it to a AAA car care center.